Кезекті спикерлер шығып жатыр. Модератор Аляна Тач.
Good to see you here. Well, you are my heroes, you know, early morning, International Women's Day, and here you are. So, I hope that we can provide you a very useful panel. I'm really proud to hold it because for today we have 5 amazing, wonderful, very inspiring cases of female leadership. We saw at Natalia's example, as she mentioned, that it's particularly nothing impossible, and continuing this topic, I hope we will inspire you to get more goals and to have more values, because when we are talking about entrepreneurial field, and especially when we are talking about C-level executives, we used to see this male figure in the suit and put in your Google, for example, a picture entrepreneur, and you will see the results. Still, the man in his dark blue suit, or maybe the gray one, both colors are very nice, but today, nowadays, and you know it well, women are leading in all areas and breaking stereotypes. And I'm really happy to welcome on the stage 5 amazing women with their own stories. I will ask them direct questions to give you more inspiration, to give you useful tips, because me personally, I'm working for Marie Claire, and all over the Marie Claire magazine, all over the world, we pay a special focus, a special attention to women's leadership, and it's 100% my topic, and I'm really proud to ask my questions to our speakers today. So, welcome on the stage, Belinda Lee. Belinda is CEO of Askil Company, author and producer. Welcome. Roshin Singh Gorima, founder and managing director, Mix Company, president of Female Initiative MENA. Mariana Bulpuk, CEO and managing partner of Bismoses Group Company. Oksana Blayan, International M&A Deal Maker Innovative Leader. Welcome, Oksana. Thank you for your support, ladies. Thank you. And Emanuela Al Khalifa, board member and private office of His Excellency Sheikh Abdulaziz bin Raji bin Khalifa Al Khalifa. Welcome. So, as I mentioned, we will try to make it physical and not boring, but if